Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to get Windows 11 Mica effect feature which Google has removed with the Chrome update 143. Earlier users were able to enable Mica effect using the experimental feature from here. But with this update, the option is no longer available. If you love using the Mica effect, then here is a workaround to enable it in the Chrome version 143. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like it and subscribe to the channel. Before you start following the process, make sure Chrome browser is closed and it's not pinned on the taskbar. Next, click on the search icon and type Chrome. When it appears in the search results, right click and select Open File Location. Here, locate shortcut for the Chrome and then right click and select Properties. In the Properties window, head over to the Target section and copy paste this command after chrome.exe. I will add the command in the description. Also make sure to add space between chrome.exe and the command. Click apply. If similar dialog box appear, click continue and then click OK. After that, restart your computer and launch Chrome and you should be able to use Windows 11 Mica effect on the Chrome. For your clarity, you can see that I'm using the colorful wallpaper and whenever I'm dragging the Chrome window, you will see the color change. To make it more clear, let's change the theme to light. Now you can see that Chrome window is picking up the background color. So that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.